Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. Let's get into the market watch. Today is the 29th, so let's get right into it. The first one we're going to look at is, can Bitcoin solve the US debt crisis? Here's the crazy part. Trump, I think, thinks so. And I think it might be right, but I don't know. All right, let's talk about some of these key points. David Bailey discussed Bitcoin as a debt solution with Mr. Trump. Now, Bailey's actions are to support Bitcoin, not necessarily endorse Trump. He's just trying to find a way to benefit Bitcoin, which is also awesome for us, right? Now, David Bailey is the chief executive officer at Bitcoin Magazine and a cryptocurrency advisor to the Donald Trump campaign. Good news for us because they've got somebody who gives a crap about Bitcoin trying to shill Bitcoin to the American government, which would be awesome. Now, the main question here is, can Bitcoin solve the U.S. debt problem? During an online space on X, Trump said that he said that Trump had asked whether Bitcoin could help solve our staggering U.S. national debt, which literally stands at $35 trillion. If you guys get a chance, look it up online and see how big the debt is, and you can see it moving. There's like websites that show you how fast that shit's moving. Now, earlier Bailey had announced in his capacity as the CEO of Bitcoin Magazine that he and the staff had been working with Trump's campaign to draft the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency policy agenda. That's great news for us crypto holders. That's why I'm going so detailed into this article, right? Now, Bitcoin's Magazine's CEO initiative to influence presidential policy is this guy's main goal, right? Now, he also announced that he intends to raise $100 million in campaign funds to U.S. the next president would be into Bitcoin. That's awesome. It's actually really good news for Trump, I guess, in himself. I'm not a huge Trump-specific fanatic, but I do like a lot of the things he is doing, so I understand. Now, contrary to what we may think, Bailey insists his actions are not an endorsement of Trump, which is true. His endorsement to me is like he's supporting Bitcoin. So that's kind of awesome. That's something to think about. Let's get to the next one. Now, AI revises at Bitcoin price prediction for the end of 2024. And I like that because as AI is giving us that idea, it's going to give us something that we might not have been able to see or know. Now, while Bitcoin has seen some consolidation following its recent surge, pulling the rest of the cryptocurrency market along with it. Now, AI platforms remain optimistic about the price of Bitcoin by the end of the year. That's awesome that they think that. And like literally it's saying that 105,000 on December 30th, 2024, which would suggest a 55% increase at this price of time. The reason I do like that these are the options it's giving is because it's just showing consistent growth for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin ends up doing that, you guys know that that would mean it's just a full-blown long-term bull market. Now, after surpassing the key psychological phase of 70K, the leading cryptocurrency by market capitalization has dipped back a little bit below. Bitcoin is currently a little bit above 68K resistance zone. A level is going to be needed to surpass to get that sustained recovery. Now, despite the short-term pullback, AI platforms continue to predict bullish things for Bitcoin and its upcoming months, right? Next one, Shiba Inu's trading activity spikes. This is great news for us meme token traders and people who love it. Now, it has broken free from its leash. And the reason I say it that way is because after weeks of being pent up in this shitty resistance level, it has unleashed a surge in momentum, embarking on a fresh upward trend. Analysts are currently optimistic, and with some predicting the price to hit 0.000081, and that would be awesome for us in the market. Right, and at 0.000081, that's about 3 times where it's at right now. Now, the price appreciation, current price is at 0.00002866, and it is up from 0.002472. And that does increase the market cap up to 16.89 billion, and that's about 16%. Now, the higher trading volumes of 24-hour volume at 1.97, that's up 94%. Breaking resistance could solidify that we're going to make it to the next big uptrend. So as long as we break that little bad boy resistance right here, we're going to show some major growth, right? More Shiba, and basically Shiba Inu's market today surpassed Cardano. And that's awesome for us because the higher it goes, the more it shows at them. Because Cardano's an alt token, right? Altcoin, where Shiba's a meme token. So I really, really want the meme tokens to go up because then that opens opportunities for more 1,000 or 100x's, right? Now, this comes after a 12.72% surge in the past 24 hours, right? And while this may seem like a major feat, considering the early plans was to displace Avalanche, it's still displacing good altcoins that are really, really a big deal. Now, several factors within the Shiba ecosystem over the past few weeks have contributed to the success and will likely influence the coin's consistent trajectory. This is going to be awesome, especially when things like the spot ETF approval, and as a native e-token, it could massively benefit from a shit ton of liquidity entering that SHIB market, which in tail will follow over to the meme token. So it's something to really, really hardcore be looking at right now. You guys do not want to be missing out on this opportunity. Let me know if the video helps and brings value. I really appreciate all the comments. Click that subscribe button for me. It means the world. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you on the next Market Watch.